Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Mariam Guinea, and this channel is all about sharing my daily life in the village here, guys. And today, guys, we are going to Kehanchau Market. It's a local market here, guys. As you can see, guys, there is a lot of the weather is not good, so hoping that I will arrive there in time before it rains. So guys, let's go. Yes, we are now on the way to Kehanchau Market, riding through the village. You can see the tarmac road. It's a blessing to have good roads here. Yes, it's not every place is like this, and it really helps us move around, especially when the weather is really bad. Yes. There's so much farming here, guys. You can see maize fields, banana plantation, and health cows grazing. The land is really beautiful and fertile. I can tell it. Compared to Nyabohanse, there is a lot more happening here. You can really tell that people have embraced agriculture, which is very encouraging to see. But as we are moving, guys, the clouds are gathering, the wind is picking up too, and I'm praying we reach the market before the rain starts. You can feel the change in the air. It looks it's about to rain any minute from now. Yes, but as the Bible says, many are the plans in a person's heart, but is the Lord's purpose that prevails. That one is in Proverbs 19 verse 21. Even if today it doesn't go as I planned, I trust that everything is working out for good. Yes. People are rushing to get their animals home. We need to find a shelter quickly before it gets heavy. And yeah, it is very disappointing with the rain. So even though I may not reach the market today, God had a better plan, as the Bible says, guys, that in all things God works for good for those who love him. In Romans 8 chapter 28, I am thankful for the new friends I'm about to meet here. So it is raining, guys. As you can see outside, it is raining, and this is the place that we are seeking some shade from rain. And I don't think we should continue with the market today as I had planned earlier. So I'm just waiting to see if it's gonna stop, and then because it is not far from here, as I stop here, now I will be getting, this is a hotel actually where we are, which is a cafe.
where they sell tea, and then so I will be getting inside to see what they have. And yes, so as we wait for the rain to stop and see if we shall be will continue with the journey. And let's see what they have here. Yes. Jimoso Herekare. So Jimmy is already checking something already. Huh? Juma is drinking tea. Manuel Juma is drinking tea. So he's inviting me to join to join him as we texted. That is chapati. Chapati ni pesa ngapi? Chapati is selling chapati 20 bob. So Juma, how many have you ordered? 40. Sawa. So those are 2 chapatis. Na chai? Chai. Shirini. So actually, guys, I'm joining Juma because the mama invited me to come and seek some shelter here. So it is not good for me to walk out of this place so without honoring her invitation. And so I'm also ordering a cup of tea, and the 1 chapati will be enough for me. Yeah, so this is one way of supporting local markets or local economy, like supporting our moms and in whatever they're doing. So when I buy, I know that I am supporting her business, her little business. So I'm going to order 1. So mom, nieke chai moja na chapati moja. Yeah. So she's serving me. That is the tea she's serving me. She's afraid. So she's serving me tea. So this one is for 20 shillings. Inoni camera. Inora vekirige camera ngogera. No hapa tu tuniki kula hata. Hato ninka. Wapi na roji mukiri wewe. Anyimikiri kare. Unokore tani mukiri. Deima hango. Anyimikiri nda. Uro chembe nengo tebi gankala anyimikiri. Tamango. Ma uwe ngo no. Uniwe. Wait. Wani mama? Uchaka herike ayo. Uchaka herike. Okay, after seeing himself here, he wants me to buy for him chapati. So I will be buying. Okay, so yeah, see, this is my chapati here. Have given me. So mom, just serve them 1 cup chapati. Hiyo itakuwa, huyo atakunywa chai na chapati. So I'm buying them tea and chapati because they have requested for it, and they are our fathers. I just found them seeking shelter here, and they requested me to buy them tea and chapati. Yeah, so guys, it is called what we share. So it is what do we call it? Pasaka holiday. I have forgotten the name. So it is time for sharing, guys. So it is Easter sharing. So guys, it is Easter holiday, and I'm happy that they have. I can buy for them at this moment, and also this is so great, guys. So yeah, I feel so blessed, and I'm very much happy, and I thank God for this day. Even if I'm not going to the market, at least I have met, and I have met people here that they have requested for a cup of tea from my pocket, and I'm so happy to do it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Yeah, so he's so grateful. Sema unashukuru wasikie. Unashukuru kwa chai? Yeah, nimeshukuru kwa chai. Na chapati? Aya. Na wewe baba? Yeah, so they are appreciating the cup of tea that I have bought for them, and they are very grateful, and they are inviting me to visit their homes, and I will make arrangement for that so that I can visit their homes to know where they're coming from. And they just requested to know where I came from. I told them that I'm from Nyabohanse, and YouTube is what I'm doing, because they've been wondering what this is, what I'm holding, and it is capturing them. So I tried to explain them what it is, but it is so grateful. This there are our fathers who don't know about the digital and the today's world. So explaining everything to them, it's gonna take a lot of time, but slowly by slowly. So maybe I will just make a day and visit them. So they said that they are going to give me their numbers. So I don't know. So I'm going to accept them, guys. So let me have my tea, guys. So this is the tea. I prayed for it, so I have to pray, and I have already prayed for it. So this is actually the first time I'm taking this in a local hotel cafe here. Oh no.
Tinda musa mona bense moyane. Hata no akuna siri. Ya cheri. Wa cheri.
Turukana. Hata siku moja.
With my tea. Mama ni renga bono gonda. Erenda chapati yona 40, 40, uni 40, yo 120, ona
60 oga 20 takora 40. Oh, chapati ronga ibere. Yeah, you mga
160.
160.
So guys, I'm paying for what we took. Yeah. So actually she doesn't have the change, so she's looking for. Hi, Bono mama kuya gutuna.
Ano mano ande kenda ngungurita.
Sasa mimi natoka I'm introducing myself to the one the owner of the cafe, the one who served me the tea. Mimi natoka Nyabohanse. Ni mzaliwa wa huko, ni mkoaji wa huko. Mimi nimeoleka, ni mama wa mtoto mmoja. Na hii kazi ni kazi ya YouTube. Tunatembea tukichukua picha, tukifanya video, tunaweka kwa mitandao kuonesha maisha yetu ambao tunaishi hapa Afrika, na wale wazungu wanakompea kama maisha ya kwetu na ya kwao inafanana. Unaona, tunashare maisha yetu, wale waone kama jinsi tumekunywa hapa chai, kama ni hivyo wanakunywa hiyo chai. So guys, I'm trying to explain what I do. The recording why I do the video. So I'm trying to explain to mom here that the reason why am I recording the video is to share the daily village, our daily life to other people in the world, like culture exchange. So since we can't travel to other part of the world, so we do it on video so that they can see how we live in the village in Africa. As much as them, they also share their life with other people. Yeah, so Mam, mimi ninashukuru sana na nakupongeza sana kwa hii kazi ambayo unafanya. Usione ni kidogo. Sina kupatia mkate kila siku. Unaenda na kitu nyumbani. Hivyo tu. Kidogo hujaza kibaba. Yeah, so guys, I'm encouraging her to continue with what she's doing, and she don't limit herself that she's having a minimal space or a minimal place for her work. So I'm encouraging her as much as she goes home with something that is much better than staying at home and crying herself. So guys, yeah, I'm really grateful. Mimi nashukuru sana. Hiyo change sasa imebaki ni yako ya chai. Hiyo ni yako imebaki ya chai kwa sababu si nimenunulia wote kabisa mtoto wangu. Asante na shukuru.
Siku nyingine
Si hapo unapika kila chakula?
Napika ugali na chai na chapati na mandazi.
Na mboga ya kienyeji?
Mboga ni kererema
Nderema. She's full of vibes, guys.
Kehango.
Nderema is
Kehango kinaitwa Kehango. Na
Kinsaga.
Na kinsaga.
Kinswega. Masungururu ni nini?
Nchwega.
Hiyo sasa. So those are my vegetables. She's mentioning what she prepared here. So guys, if you want to come and enjoy the village, she's so guys, she's full of vibes, guys. So she's saying actually what she prepared the traditional vegetables here. So I can't order because I have already taken tea and chapati. So the next time I will come here and test the food, ugali wa mihogo na mboga kienyeji, mboga za kienyeji, they are here. So guys, I'm so grateful. So it is still raining outside. But we shall see what to do, guys. We are going to tell you what to do, and so I'm so grateful, guys. So mama, waambie waendelee kutazama channel ya Maria Mugeni. Sema endeleeni kutazama. Kutazama channel ya Maria. Hivyo. Sema tu hivyo. Channel ya Maria. Na watu karibu kwa hoteli yangu. Hoteli yako inaitwaje mama? Ujaipatia jina? So next time when I come, nikikuja hapa nitakuja na jina.
Sawa.
Tutakuja na jina. Tutakaribia hapo, usinisahau siku hiyo nikikuja. Huyu ni mwenye ananisaidia kwa wakati wa transport. Hata in fact hata ningekuja kitambo alikuwa ameenda Migori. Sasa ikabidi kwa sababu ninamwamini ikabidi ni mungoje. So that's why unajua kama uko na mtu mwaminifu mwenye unaenda na yeye mahali na una wasiwasi, lazima umpatie pia yeye afanye kazi yake. Yeah, so Juma, you have the credit. Tumesikia mama amesema wewe ni mtu mzuri. Na wewe shukuru.
Asante mama.
So yes guys, so the mom is also appreciating my boda rider here. He's saying that he's very respectful, of which is true. Actually I was supposed to come here in the morning, but he told me that he was rushing somewhere in Migori, so I had to wait for him, and so I had planned for this day, and I said let's go so that I can call it a day. Unfortunately we have been caught by rain, so we brought it to this hotel here, and so you can see what has been. I have met very wonderful people here. We have shared a cup of tea, and the rest is history, guys. Thank you so much, and continue watching, subscribing, share, and like, guys, as we proceed. I don't know where I'm heading to from here, but I pray that we are going to have more videos, or we can postpone to another day, but this is going to happen. Yes, guys, so thank you so much.